As a beginner, it's easy to overlook the small gadgets that can make your experience better, and we know that your helmet and gloves might be the first things you buy, but there's a whole world of gadgets that new riders often don't realize they need until they're already out on the road. All the gadget links are in the description below. Number 30. Motorcycle Cruise Assist. This handy gadget lets you control the throttle without squeezing the grip, making long rides much more comfortable. Its short and wide wave-shaped design helps prevent numb fingers by reducing strain during extended use. The rubber inside increases friction, so it stays securely attached to the grip even when wearing heavy gloves. It's super easy to use and keeps your hands relaxed on long trips. Perfect for riders who want a smoother, more comfortable ride without tiring their hands. A simple but essential accessory for anyone spending hours on the road. Number 29. RockBros Drop. This is the coolest motorcycle bag ever. You can wear it in so many ways, like on your leg, your waist, your shoulder, or across your chest. It even sticks to the bike with strong magnets. And don't worry, it won't scratch the paint. It's waterproof too, so your stuff stays dry even if it rains. There's a lot of space inside for your snacks, toys, or whatever you want to carry, and you can make it bigger or smaller with cool zippers and straps. Super handy and fun to use. Number 28. Portable Jack. This compact and portable wheel lift stand makes motorcycle repairs easier by supporting the front or rear wheels. Its foldable design shrinks to just 22 centimeters for easy carrying, but extends up to 41 centimeters to lift bikes higher when needed. Made from high-quality aluminum and iron with a protective black coating, it's strong enough for all sports bikes. It includes a telescopic belt to secure the brakes and prevent wheel slipping. The improved design features a retractable compression rod, making it easier to support the motorcycle while using less effort than earlier models. Number 27. Smart Helmet Camera. This all-in-one helmet accessory is perfect for making your rides safer and more fun. It combines a Bluetooth headset and an HD camera, so you can take hands-free calls, listen to music, or use Siri or Google Assistant with just one button. The built-in 1080p camera records your journey in high quality with a 120-degree wide-angle lens and a 360-degree rotatable design so you never miss a moment. It's also IP66 waterproof, making it great for any weather. With a powerful 1,500 mAh battery, you can enjoy up to 6.5 hours of video or 50 hours of music. Thanks to noise reduction technology, your calls stay clear even on noisy roads, and it even comes with a 32GB memory card. Number 26. Motorcycle Bluetooth Speakers. This Bluetooth amplifier lets you wirelessly play and control your favorite music from your smartphone or MP3 device, supporting apps like Spotify and Pandora. It includes two 3-inch full-range speakers with adjustable brackets to fit various handlebar sizes. The device is weatherproof, built to withstand outdoor elements, and features a 3.5mm auxiliary input for easy connection to other audio sources. An inline volume control allows you to adjust sound conveniently from your preferred spot. Backed by a strong 3-year warranty, this audio system is ideal for enhancing your ride with clear, powerful sound. Number 25. Dango Design Helmet Light. This lightweight LED trail light features a slim aluminum housing that won't weigh down your helmet. It uses powerful Cree LEDs with 3 brightness levels to customize your lighting. The long-lasting external battery lasts up to 3 hours on high and 12 hours on low, and it doubles as a power bank to charge your devices. It easily mounts on various helmets for dirt biking, motocross, mountain biking, and more. Universal mounts make it compatible with many action camera mounts. The package includes the light, battery pack, charger, mounting hardware, and a travel case for convenience. Number 24. Earpiece Moto earplugs. These earplugs are designed to make your motorcycle rides more comfortable by reducing wind and engine noise. Made from soft, hypoallergenic silicone, they fit snugly in your ears, ensuring comfort even during long rides. Unlike regular earplugs, they don't completely block out sounds. Instead, they lower harmful noise levels while still allowing you to hear important sounds like horns, sirens, and navigation prompts. This balance helps you stay aware of your surroundings without straining your ears. They're reusable, easy to clean, and come with a handy case for storage. Ideal for riders seeking a quieter, more enjoyable journey. Number 23. Motorcycle Kickstand Pad. If you're tired of your bike tipping over on soft soft ground or hot pavement. This compact pad is a game changer. Made from durable ABS plastic, it offers a sturdy base that keeps your kickstand from sinking. Its unique pattern on the underside enhances grip, ensuring stability even on grass or uneven surfaces. Lightweight and portable, it easily fits in your pocket, making it convenient to carry on every ride. Additionally, it helps prevent scuff marks on garage floors or tiles. At just 3 inches wide and 5 inches long, it's a small accessory that makes a big difference in parking safety. Number 22, Mroinge charger adapter. This is a super cool USB charger for your motorcycle. It lets you charge 2 phones or tablets at the same time. There's a little screen that shows how much power your bike has and how fast your devices are charging. It even has a special switch to turn it off and save battery when you're not using it. It's safe too. It won't break your stuff if something goes wrong, and it works even in the rain because it has a waterproof cover. Grown-ups say it's really easy to put on and works great for a long time. Number 21, helmet brake light. Adding a brake light to your helmet is a smart way to boost your visibility on the road. This lightweight LED light attaches easily to the back of your helmet, providing an extra layer of safety. It activates automatically when you slow down, alerting drivers behind you. The light is bright enough to be seen during the day and enhances your presence at night. Its compact design ensures it doesn't add bulk to your helmet, and it's weather resistant, making it suitable for various riding conditions. A simple yet effective addition for any rider prioritizing safety. Number 20, gripper mount. Looking for a versatile camera mount that's easy to use and built to last? This mount features strong, rubberized jaws that clamp securely to your helmet, handlebars, or other surfaces, ensuring your camera stays in place during your ride. Its slim design allows for easy attachment and removal, making it convenient for on-the-go filming. With 2-axis rotation, you can quickly adjust your camera to capture the perfect angle, whether you're vlogging, recording a ride, or capturing action shots. Compatible with most action cameras, it's a reliable choice for riders seeking quality footage without the hassle. Number 19, save your heated gloves. If you're a beginner rider braving chilly rides, heated gloves can be a game changer. These gloves come with built-in heating elements powered by rechargeable batteries, keeping your hands warm without the need for bike connections. They're designed to be comfortable and flexible, so you can still grip your handlebars securely. Many models include touchscreen compatible fingertips, allowing you to use your phone or GPS without removing the gloves. With adjustable heat settings, you can customize warmth levels to suit your comfort. If you're commuting or exploring, heated gloves help extend your riding season by keeping your hands cozy. Number 18, tire pressure monitoring system. This smart tire gadget checks your motorcycle's tire pressure and temperature all the time to keep you safe. If the pressure is too low or too high, or if the tire gets too hot or starts leaking air, it gives you a warning right away. It even tells you if the battery in the sensor is low. When you're not riding, it goes to sleep after 10 minutes to save energy. This helps prevent accidents, makes your ride smoother, and protects your tires from wearing out too fast. Number 17, motorcycle GPS tracker. Looking for a sleek and simple GPS to guide your rides? This compact device mounts easily on your bike and connects to your smartphone via Bluetooth. It offers clear, turn-by-turn navigation with a mini map, speed, and ETA, all displayed on a bright, glove-friendly screen. Choose between fast or fun routes, or just follow the compass for spontaneous adventures. With a 14-hour battery life and IP67 waterproof rating, it's built to handle various riding conditions. Plus, it supports GPX imports and ride tracking, making it a handy companion for any journey. Number 16, chain adjuster tool. Tired of guessing your chain slack with the old 3-finger method? This tool offers a quick and precise way to adjust your chain tension. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to last and can be calibrated once for your bike. After calibration, it provides clear indicators: green for optimal slack, red for too tight, and yellow for too loose. No need for complex measurements. Just hook it onto your chain and you're good to go. It's compatible with all chain-driven motorcycles and quads. If you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, this tool simplifies chain maintenance, ensuring a smoother and safer ride. Number 15, Dainese Jacket, the lightweight protection without the bulk. This vest offers advanced airbag technology, providing superior safety without the need for hard-shell armor. It can be worn over or under your regular jacket and doesn't require any connection to your bike. The vest is equipped with sensors that monitor monitor your movements and surroundings, activating the airbag only when necessary. Its breathable, water-repellent fabric ensures comfort in various weather conditions. With a rechargeable battery lasting up to 26 hours, it's perfect for long rides. When activated, the airbag can be replaced by an authorized dealer, making it a convenient and reliable choice for riders seeking enhanced protection. Number 14. Auxbeam Motorcycle LED. Boost your bike's visibility and safety? These compact LED fog lights are designed to cut through fog, rain, and snow with their amber beams. They're built tough with an IP68 waterproof rating, ensuring they withstand harsh weather and rough rides. Installation is straightforward thanks to adjustable brackets and a complete wiring harness. With a lifespan of over 50,000 hours, they offer long-term reliability. If you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails, these lights enhance your bike's lighting setup, making your rides safer and more enjoyable. Number 13. Smart Connected Rear Bike Light. Looking for a smart rear light that keeps you visible and connected on your rides? This compact device offers multiple lighting modes, including position, turn signals, brake light, and hazard warning activated via a wireless remote or a mobile app. It features a light sensor that adjusts brightness for day or night visibility and an accelerometer that detects braking, intensifying the light to alert those behind you. In case of a fall, it automatically sends an SMS alert to up to 3 emergency contacts. With up to 8 hours of battery life and easy attachment to helmets or seat posts, it's a reliable companion for urban cyclists and e-scooter riders. Number 12. Bike Alarm Wireless Sensor. If you're looking for a simple way to protect your ride, this compact alarm system might be just what you need. It emits a loud sound when triggered by vibration, helping to deter potential thieves. You can adjust the sensitivity to suit your preferences, ensuring it responds appropriately to movement. The system is waterproof, making it suitable for various weather conditions. Installation is straightforward, with options to mount it using adhesive or straps. Additionally, it includes a remote control with a range of up to 66 feet, allowing you to arm and disarm the alarm conveniently. Number 11. E6 Motorcycle Helmet HUD. Upgrade your riding experience? This helmet-mounted device projects essential information like navigation, speed, music, and calls directly into your line of sight. Its AR, augmented reality display is designed to be bright and transparent, ensuring you can see the road clearly while staying informed. You can control it using voice commands or a handlebar-mounted remote, keeping your hands on the bike and your focus ahead. It also features a rear-view camera to help reduce blind spots and enhance safety. Number 10. Thinkware M1. Want to capture your rides clearly? This dual-lens camera is a great option. It records both the front and rear in full HD 1080p, so you won't miss any important details. With a wide 140-degree view, it helps eliminate blind spots. The camera's image stabilization smooths out vibrations even on rough roads. It's weatherproof so it can handle rain, dust, and mud. Plus, it has built-in GPS to track your speed and location. It starts recording automatically when your bike is on and lets you control it via a remote or a mobile app, perfect for documenting every ride. Number 9. Drag Mach 3. If you're looking for a backpack that keeps up with your ride, this one's built for bikers. Its sleek molded shell resists wind drag and keeps your gear dry. Inside, you'll find a padded sleeve for a 15-inch laptop, a tablet pocket, and a fleece-lined compartment for electronics. The bright red interior makes it easy to spot your stuff. It also has a removable helmet strap, shoe storage, and hydration-ready design. Reflective piping boosts visibility, while adjustable straps and a sternum belt ensure a comfortable fit. If you're commuting or hitting the open road, this backpack is designed to move with you. Number 8. Motorcycle Phone Holder. Keep your phone secure and charged while riding. This motorcycle phone holder offers a solid grip and shock absorption, ensuring your device stays in place even on bumpy roads. Its anti-theft design adds an extra layer of security, giving you peace of mind when you need to step away from your bike. The mount is compatible with handlebars ranging from 0.5 inches to 1.75 inches in diameter, fitting most motorcycles, scooters, and ATVs. With its adjustable cradle, it accommodates smartphones from 4.7 inches to 7.2 inches, making it a versatile choice for riders. Whether you're navigating city streets or exploring off-road trails, this holder keeps your phone accessible and secure. Number 7. Cardo Pack Talk Edge. Need a dependable way to communicate during your rides? This device lets you stay connected with your fellow riders without any hassle. Thanks to its advanced noise-canceling tech, you'll get clear sound even at high speeds. It's super easy to control, so you can make adjustments without ever taking your hands off the handlebars. Plus, it has great battery life, so you won't have to worry about it dying mid-ride. Built to handle tough weather conditions, this communicator is perfect for both solo trips and group rides. It's a must-have for staying in touch while on the road. Number 6. Garmin Navigation Device. If you're new to riding, a motorcycle navigation device can be a game changer. These gadgets are built tough to handle the elements and vibrations, ensuring they stay functional on the road. With features like glove-friendly touch screens, voice-guided directions, and real-time traffic updates, they help you stay on course without taking your eyes off the road. Many models also offer customizable routes, allowing you to explore scenic paths or avoid congested areas. Plus, they often include points of interest like gas stations and repair shops, making long rides more convenient and enjoyable. Number 5. Jump starter with air compressor. This compact device combines a jump starter, air compressor, power bank, and flashlight into one portable unit. With a peak current of 2000 amps, it can jumpstart 12-volt vehicles up to 8-liter gasoline or 6-liter diesel engines. The built-in air compressor offers a pressure range of 10 to 150 psi, making it suitable for inflating car tires, motorcycles, bicycles, and more. Its 300 lumen LED flashlight provides illumination in dark conditions. The device is equipped with a 74 watt-hour lithium-ion battery, ensuring reliable performance. It's a versatile tool for emergencies, camping, and everyday use. Number 4. Road Tool Kit. If you're a beginner rider, having a compact toolkit can make a big difference when you're out on the road. Look for one that's lightweight and easy to carry, yet packed with essential tools for basic repairs. A good kit should include items like wrenches, screwdrivers, tire repair tools, and a ratchet set. Some even come in a roll-up pouch or zippered case, making it easy to store under your seat or in your bag. Having this toolkit with you can save you from being stranded in case of minor mechanical issues. It's a smart investment for any new rider. Number 3. Lexin C3. If you want an easy way to keep your drink on hand while riding, this sturdy cup holder is perfect. It mounts securely to your bike's handlebars and swivels 360 degrees so you can adjust it just how you like. It fits most cups, bottles, and cans, making it great for all kinds of drinks. The durable metal construction ensures it lasts, and it comes with spacers to fit many handlebars. Whether you're out for a quick ride or a long trip, this holder keeps your drink close and ready. Number 2. Smart Helmet. A helmet that combines safety, comfort, and smart features. This full-face helmet offers premium audio with speakers and a microphone developed by Harman Kardon, delivering clear communication and music playback. It supports both mesh and Bluetooth intercom systems, allowing you to connect with other riders over long distances. The helmet includes a retractable sun visor to protect against glare and an integrated LED taillight for added visibility. Voice commands in multiple languages and digital assistant access make it easy to control functions hands-free. Number 1. Motorcycle earplugs. These motorcycle earplugs come in 2 pairs and are made from ultra-soft silicone designed to reduce wind and engine noise while still letting you hear important sounds like traffic, GPS, or intercoms. They fit comfortably under your helmet without causing pressure or pain, even on long rides. The high-fidelity filters block harmful noise but keep the ride experience safe and clear. Riders love that they're reusable up to 100 times and offer great protection without sacrificing comfort or awareness on the road. And that's a wrap up on this video. Which one's your favorite? Drop it in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to see you in the next one.